Hey guys, this is Fundom on Pagama. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Mandlovu wants Kulego to assist Zagiti about Maharaji problems. And it seems like the Beng family wants to fight with Maharaji so that Maharaji will be out on the company. While Sakile summons Mzwandile to visit him in prison and insists to hear about his engagement to Kanyo. Kanyo is frustrated that Sakile means to him harm Zethulela. Fikile is confused about her feelings for Kulego, and Lindiwe advised her to put their romantic past behind her and reconnect with him as a brother. But it seems like it is difficult on Fikile to take Kulego as her brother. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.